Today I'm going to teach you how to hit this high note from Frozen's Let It Go. The high note we're going to hit today is E flat 5, and we're going to need twang and belting to do so. Step 1, let's find twang in your voice. So twang is this really bright kind of quality, it's really cut through. So say nay 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 for me, really kind of bratty, nay 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 nay. Just make sure it's not nasal, nay 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 nay. Very good, now sing a note for me. Nay 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 nay. Now let's go a bit higher. Nay, 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 nay. Try that for me. Nay, 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 nay. Very good. Now let's add twang to the phrase let it go. Try it on a nay, nay, nay. Nay, nay, nay. Let it go. Perfect. Our goal is E flat 5 and we are preparing for it beforehand. We're putting all the techniques like twang and belting in place before it. This is why we're starting on let it go, yeah? Just before the I don't care note, yeah? That E flat 5. Now, let's add belting to it. Belting is this loud, powerful, really strong sound. We kind of started belting already on let it go. That's already a belt, it's just a bit lower. Now, what we need to do is make sure that we maintain that strong sort of sound for I don't care bit, yeah? We're gonna stay on chest voice and we're gonna add anchoring to your belting to make sure that it stays strong and it stays put. Anchoring is you using this part of your body, so your abdominal muscles and your back muscles here to support the sound. Keep your hands on your back and take a breath, thinking with this bit of your body, yeah? We need it expanding, as if you have wings coming out of your back. So, yeah, do you see that? I just went like that. Try it again. Yeah, very nice. So this is how I need you to breathe when you start singing the chorus, in preparation for the E flat 5. So now let's pair up that anchoring breath with nay, nay, nay. 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 So that's your twang, that's your nay, yeah, that's your anchoring. Remember to breathe in an anchoring way after each phrase you do. And let's now hit that E flat 5 on a nay, nay, nay first. So let's go from let it go, turn away and slam the door. Nay, 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 nay. That's it. Well done. Now do the same for me, but with the lyrics. Let it go, turn away and slam the door. I don't care, our goal note. Let's go. Breathe in an anchoring way. Twang it. Open your mouth. Throw that sound. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold doesn't bother me anyway. Twang, belting on chest voice. It's really high up on chest voice, but it's just so powerful, it's so cut through with twang. It works really well. Open your mouth, and the most important thing, breathe in an anchoring way, because this is how you support your sound. Your power is right here. Make sure to use it. Warm up well before you belt, and if you don't know what vocal warm-ups to use, I've got you covered. Join my email list and you'll get access to more than 40 vocal warm-ups to support your vocal practice. Give this video a like, a share, and subscribe to Sing It to the World for more videos. I'll see you next time.